Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you're interested, or if you trade on other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and USD JPY. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD, and as we all know, there was a huge sharp rally on Euro and Pound after the ECB and the Bank of England talked about interest rate hikes by this year, and they were more than expected considering the present monetary policy. As a result, we saw huge bullishness mostly on the Euro pairs. Okay, and there was a sharp fall on dollar. This is the present condition, a chart of dollar here. Things are pretty bad. Last Saturday, I talked about the swings on the dollar chart, and we were hoping that dollar would test the swing here, the support here, within 7 to 8 days. But surprisingly, dollar has come down in this week only, within 4 or 5 days, and right now the present support, the trend line will be very important, because if the trend line is gone, it means that the pattern will be gone too. So dollar will try to hold the level here, but the problem is that we have NFP coming up. Okay, so there will be crazy volatility again in the market. Okay, and there is an expectation of bad NFP, weak NFP. So, and if the weak NFP comes up, okay, dollar will go down further. But yes, I think that there is a possibility of market going up from here. Okay, going up from here, I think that dollar will try to hold the support here, and in case it fails also, then 94.60 to 94.70 will try to provide support to the market here, because this is dollar, my friends. Okay, it will try to hold the support level here, and in case something bad happens, market crashes, then only God knows what will happen to dollar. But as of now, the trend line is important, and if the trend line breaks, then 94.6070 will be very crucial for dollar DXY. Okay, now let's talk about GBP USD trading at 1.3614. This is the current market price here, and yesterday this was the high made by GBP USD 1.3626. But the problem is that market is going up, and if we look for a buy opportunity here, then our risk to reward ratio does not match, and taking a sell position in this market is also very risky. After all, market has only one role, and that is follow the trend. And if we just consider the present trend of the market, then we can easily see that the trend is extremely bullish. So taking a sell position in this market condition is very risky. So if you're wondering, okay, where we should enter, then okay, then I think you should be switching over to the 1 hour chart. Okay, generally I do not talk about 1 hour chart much, but yes, in this case, okay, I was looking for an entry, so I got my entry at the 50 moving average here. Okay, from my personal experience, I have seen that 50 moving average really works well in the forex market. Especially, it's a good combo with the 4 hour chart. Okay, but in the 1 hour chart, you can see that the 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic support to the market. So if you already have an ongoing buy position, then I say that continue with the buy position. No need to do anything. But if you're looking for a fresh entry or fresh buy position in the market right now, then yes, you'll have to wait for the market to cool off a little, because in the present position, okay, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. If you take a buy position, you will be compromising with the trading discipline, so which is not a very good thing. So wait for the market on the 1 hour chart. Okay, switch over to 1 hour chart and wait for the market to come down and test the 50 moving average. If market bounces from the 50 moving average, well and good, you can take a buy position. Okay, because 50 moving average is right now acting as a dynamic support for the market. Okay, and in the 4 hours chart, okay, as of now I do not see anything. If I draw a Fibonacci level also, no, nothing much on the chart right now. You can draw Fibonacci levels like this and wait for market to test 1.3560 level, okay, but it's better to wait for the market to test 50 moving average and bounce. Okay, that can be your one entry. And the resistance for the market right now is this. This is a strong resistance, and that is 1.3660 to 1.3650. This is a resistance zone for the market right now. So in case there is a bullishness also in the market, then I think GBP USD will face trouble to cross this level. And in case if you see market facing trouble, you can also take a sell position. Okay, but whatever you do in this present market condition, and when we have NFP coming up, okay, when there is huge volatility in the market, please follow strict risk management, because one bad trade, okay, if you do not follow proper risk management, one bad trade may wipe your whole capital. Don't make that mistake. So see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, so it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. So you can enter at the support, or you can take a sell position at the resistance. But if you see the market is very bullish, market is standing at resistance, do not take a sell position. After all, support and resistance level are not permanent. Okay, and moreover, if you are new to trading, beginner, then please avoid trading right now. This is not the ideal market. Wait for the next week. Market is going nowhere. Okay, bye bye, take care. Let's see where the market moves. See ya tomorrow. Yeah.